Bluehost Honest Review. Bluehost has been one of the most popular web hosting providers for years, especially recommended for beginners and WordPress users. In 2025, it still offers affordable plans starting at just a few dollars per month, with features like a free domain for the first year, free SSL certificate, and one-click WordPress installation. Performance-wise, Bluehost provides decent uptime and reliable speeds for small to medium website, and it's not the fastest hosting service out there, but for new bloggers, small businesses, or anyone starting a WordPress site, it gets the job done. One area where Bluehost really shines is its beginner-friendly dashboard and customer support, which is 24/7 live chat and phone support available if you run into issues. On the downside, Bluehost tends to push add-ons during your checkout, and renewal prices can get higher than the initial discount. For advanced users running high-traffic sites, there are better premium options like SiteGround or WP Engine that delivers stronger performance. So, for a final verdict, Bluehost is still a solid choice in 2025 if you are just getting started with a WordPress site or small business online. It's affordable, user-friendly, and reliable enough for most beginner websites, though it might not be the best for large-scale or high-performance needs. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.